Hello, my name is Karis. I am your personal Remote Care Live assistant. We're excited that you are using your Remote Care Live console. This is one in a series of instructional videos that will walk you through the proper use of your telehealth equipment. In this video, we will focus on the use of your glucose meter. As you will see, everything is fully automated once you complete your reading, and the Remote Care Live will provide step-by-step instructions along the way. We have made every effort to make the process as simple as possible, so let's get started. This video will walk you through the steps required to take your blood glucose reading using the FORA glucose meter. You must use the FORA glucose meter test strips provided with your FORA glucose meter for the meter to function properly. We will begin by placing the FORA test strip into the meter. The meter will power on, play a sound, and will provide some brief instructions. Simply follow the instructions from your glucose meter. Please note that the meter will take your reading before connecting to your Remote Care Live device. When you eject the strip after your reading, the meter will connect and deliver the reading to your Remote Care Live. Once the meter has announced your reading, simply eject the strip from the meter. All further instructions will come from the Remote Care Live. Connected to blood glucose meter. Please wait so that we can read the data from your device. Your blood glucose is 95 milligrams per deciliter. Thank you for taking your reading. Your device will power off automatically.